Hey, it's breakfast here at the beach, and I want to cook a nice little breakfast. Nothing earth-shaking, but you can get creative with cooking some of the same things over and over. We're going to take a little oil. Again, use any high heat oil you want. Don't never use olive oil on your griddle because it smokes too quick and burns too quick. I really am partial to sunflower and avocado. I stay away from peanut oil because the peanut allergens, you never know, you can make somebody very sick. So the first thing I'm going to do, I got my new little butter thing here I'm doing over on this side. And melt some butter here. So I use the cube as the spreader, and I put these little tater tots on. And I think they're going to take the longest, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so we got these around 375. A little dome to help me out. Next, I love it on the Jimmy D sausage. They have a little line you cut for patties. Here comes another one. Now, a while back, I did a smash burger breakfast sandwich, and this isn't really a smash burger, but I always like to lube the bottom of the thing, but I am going to make it fit. Let's do some eggs. Get a little broken yolk, but I don't care because I like mine broken. A little hallelujah. I can't eat eggs without hallelujah. Me, can't, no. That crunchy goodness. One holdout, two holdouts. Very close. And Colby Jack cheese. I don't know what Colby Jack cheese is, but I like it. Here under the cheese melter. Gonna take our everything bagels right here and toast them up, griddle them up. Now we're gonna make the sauce. Pretty easy. Mayonnaise. Little mustard, and an equal amount of barbecue sauce. So a lot more. I'm using some Blues Hog Smoky Mountain. Real simple. It's going to be a little bit like Chick-fil-A sauce. When everything's ready, time to plate. Crispy and beautiful. Soft both sides. Okay. Big Papa's breakfast surprise. Now let's go feed the masses.